OPPO has announced the global launch date for its upcoming flagship smartphone, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra and Find X9s Pro. On April 21st, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra may be launched in India as well. We finally have a live look at it thanks to a live image which appeared on Chinese social media. The Ultra model will sport a flat 6.82-inch BOE LTPO display with a 2K plus resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra will have a built-in 10x telephoto camera. The Find X9 Ultra has the world's first 50MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, with a 230mm equivalent focal length. The camera will be able to shoot 460mm 20x pictures at optical quality zoom. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra feature a 200-megapixel Sony LYTIA9L1 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide shooter, a 200-megapixel OmniVision OV52A lens with 3x optical zoom, include a 3.2-megapixel Donxia color restoration sensor for better color capture, a 50-megapixel autofocus selfie camera at the front, powered by a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The device is also confirmed to pack a 7050 mAh battery. It will support 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. OPPO is moving towards releasing the Find X9 Ultra both in China and globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.